In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete your Insta account permanently and also how you can deactivate your account temporarily. So let's get started. Log in with the Insta account that you want to delete or deactivate temporarily. Tap the icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy icon in the drop-down menu at the top of the list. At the very top of the new Settings page, tap on Account Center, then select Personal Details under Account Settings. A new page will appear, showing your contact information and personal details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Simply choose which account you want to delete. And Instagram will let you choose between deactivating or deleting at this point. In my case, I want to delete the account. So I am gonna choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Here, Instagram will ask you to choose the reason why you want to delete your account. Simply choose Other and tap on Continue. Next, it will ask you to enter your current password again. Enter the account password and tap Continue. Finally, tap on Delete to permanently delete your account in 24 hours. Also do note that if you want to regain access to this account again, make sure to log back in once before the date provided on this page.